Hey everyone, today we're gonna try Bare Anatomy Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. So let's check it out. This one is a 200 ml bottle and MRP is 265. We got it from Amazon for 249. You won't get a deep discount on this one. Provided the link in the description box. And the shampoo is white in color. It has smooth texture and it creates a really good lather. You only need a very small amount. There is no need to use too much. And the fragrance is very nice, mild and refreshing. No strong chemical smell. This shampoo is suitable for all hair type and it is paraben sulfate free. The key ingredient is salicylic acid, which exfoliates flake and dandruff, and biotin to make your hair strong and healthy. I have tested this on this flaky scalp and see how much dandruff is there. And just after one wash, the scalp feel quite clean and it removes extra oil sebum from the scalp. I'm really impressed. The dandruff is also cleared up. It's a very effective product. It truly controls dandruff and reduce both dandruff and scalp itchiness. And yes, this shampoo can be used daily as it is mild and yet effective. So if you have a flaky scalp or a major dandruff problem, then definitely give this a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.